Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020, and I am watching some storms out east. I am actually looking towards Illinois, which is really cool. And I got my camera time-lapsing them right now to do a little bit of the time-lapse. Get some cool photos too. And just kind of doing a panoramic view of it, of all the storms. Also got one that's over here too. We are currently under a severe thunderstorm watch until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Hoping to get some cool lightning photos today, which I think I will. So let's see. It's pretty cool. So it's currently 5:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Watching some storms to my west. So I'm looking at the radar right now. There are some to my west of me. Look like they're trying to get organized, but it seems like they're dying off as they're trying to get organized, which kind of sucks. But let's see, maybe they'll get organized and make it towards me. Right now, this is the anvil of the thunderstorms to my south, which is pretty wicked. All this. What's really cool is you can see the storms north, to the north. It's pretty wicked. So, let's see what goes on. It's 5:49. We got some modest clouds, which is pretty cool.